Okay, what's up everyone? Welcome to Max Public Hunting and Outdoors. Today we're going to talk about what is the best classic CB base station radio of all time. Now there's a bunch of good ones out there. Cobra made some good ones, Midland made some good ones, Galaxy made some good ones, Realistic Radio Shack made some awesome base station CBs. But I'm going to tell you there can only be one. And the best one, and I have it, obviously, of course I have it. The best one made is the Cobra 2000 GTL. It's a classic. I'm telling you, it's got all kinds of features. It's got a 4-digit frequency counter. I'll show you that. Most of them only have 3. If they have a frequency counter, you know, it goes decimal, 1, 2, 3. The Cobra's decimal, then 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So you can tune in those stations that are just a little off. You can tune those in great. It's got all the kinds of features. I'll show you them. One great thing about this radio is it swings a lot. Mine I've got set to a 2-watt dead key, swings to 12. But another thing awesome about this radio is the receive. For whatever reason, they just receive great. Now I don't use this radio as much as I use like my Galaxy 55 HP. That I use as a base station just because it's newer and I don't want to put wear and tear on this Cobra 2000 because they haven't made the Cobra 2000 since the early 80s. So if you want one, you better get it because they keep going up in price. But great radios, they're not making them anymore. But #1 classic radio base station of all time, Cobra 2000. Let's get busy. I'm going to show it to you. Okay guys, right here you've got the Dynamite Plus for your mic, adjust the control on your mic, a volume, squelch, RF gain right here, and SWR calibration. That's blinking because of the video, but it's not really blinking. This was the tone button, but now it's my channel selector. So now I'm on CB band. Now it's on one of the 10 meters and another 10 meters. This is your voice lock. You can adjust the channel in. This is your AM or lower sideband, upper sideband. Has a speaker 1 or 2 or both. Has a automatic noise limiter. Has a noise blanker. Has a CB or PA. Has your SWR where you can tell what your SWR is, or you can calibrate it, or do your modulation with the 2 meters. 2 nice meters. It has a 4-digit screen. Most of them only have 3. This is 4-digit. Awesome radio. Let's see if we can pick up something. Ooh, Miami Beach. See if we get somebody different. Okay guys, it's pretty active right now. I've been across a bunch of channels and the CB World. Skip's going actually pretty good right now too. Got some bleeding in over this channel. Well, let me turn this up and we'll show you what's going on today. This is 38 lower sideband.
I don't know what it's pulling, but whatever it pulls on, 220 be double that. You know, if it's pulling 10, it'd be pulling 20. Yeah. You guys be doing all right if you had a solar panel going there today.
We'll take it off the sideband now. Give me a clarifier. That's the Super Bowl. You gotta have a lot of power to run on the Super Bowl. Levin's pretty active.
Yeah, right.
He said California. I'm in North Carolina.
Good in California.
Wait, he's looking for California.
On the 182. God. I guess who I am, right downtown, clean away, turn down. Gonna get out of here. No car attack on the rat trap. No rides on Mr. World-class rat trap. I am Mike in the Buckeyes. Triple nickel, Detroit Falls. Copy in this mail.
Just kicked up a little bit right now, just about a 2. Oh yeah, that'd be crazy. Man, I ain't charged. I put this big battery charge thing on this iPhone, and I got it Friday, and I still got 100%, and still got probably 2 bars left on the charger. So I got another. Probably got another day.
Ohio, 7-1.
Man, that thing's huge, huh?
I know these two guys are local, but got kind of skip bleeding in over them a little bit.
That's the same size with my regular phone.
How about up there in North Carolina?
Even on that
Two
phone,
Carolina.
like this
7-1, Ohio.
Man, what is that?
I don't know what the...
Yeah, I know. Big old, thick old thing, about an inch thick, ain't it? It ain't far from about a half inch.
Only blow if you found the tree.
Yeah, I remember the first time I seen it, I was like, man, that's huge.
We'll get back to South Carolina.
They make one.
South Carolina's bleeding in over these guys in North Carolina. Break 28, break 28. Anybody got a copy on Big Mike out of Apex?
Yes, hey, Mike, I got a copy on you at Apex. Go ahead.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4, appreciate it. This is Big Mike out of Apex. What's your 1020?
15 miles south of Greensburg. North Carolina, come on.
15 miles south of Greensboro, like Liberty? Yeah, 10-4, 10-4. I got a good buddy of mine lives in Liberty.
Hey, Roger on that. Was you the one coming in and breaking home or was that somebody else?
That was probably me. I didn't think you could hear me.
Oh yeah, I got a good, pretty good ears there, short up there. Short up there, Big Mike. Yes, sir, you live down around Apex?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm just right outside of Apex in Wake County.
Hey, Roger, well, you make a pretty good trip back here, short up there. I'm gonna jump out of the way, see if he gets off that Billy Bob. He's up there around the empty field. He might be able to talk to him.
Yeah, 10-4. I appreciate it. What was your handle again?
I go for Blue Goose, Roger.
10-4 Blue Goose. All right, appreciate it. Talk to you later. I'll be on the side. This is Big Mac. I'm on the side. I don't get, I talk on channel 34 a lot. It's got some boys, around, Hillsboro, a little north of Hillsboro. And once you get way north of Hillsboro, there's some hills up there that I can't get out and over.
Hey, Roger, on that. Yeah, sure enough. I know what you mean there. Yeah, you talk, Buckshot and, Triple Goose and there's some front wire. He's on 34. Let's see. BW. I don't know. I want to leave nobody out. There's a whole lot more of them out there now, but I can't bring all the names to bear right now. But, yeah, I talk to them not much on 34 once in a while.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4. Yeah, several of them guys I recognize out of Hillsboro, and old BW is out of Creedmoor.
Yeah, sure enough, man. Yeah, that's old BW. He's pretty good hot from me there, sure enough, man. anyway, you make a good trip. So let me get out of the way there, Big Mike. I appreciate your heart up there. And like I say, your radio's doing you a good job getting back up here. And we'll catch you a little later on. I'm going to jump out of the way and let somebody else talk a little bit there. So take it easy up there and have yourself a good night. And a good weekend coming up. And we'll catch you a little later on there. Maybe catch you up on 34 sometime. So we're going to get out of the way and get clear there, Roger.
All right, 10-4 Blue Goose. Take it easy. It's Big Mac. I'm out. Okay, guys, so there you have it. The Cobra 2000 GTL is the best classic radio, CB base station radio of all time. Loaded with features. No other radio had the features. No other radio had the great receive. Just a beautiful radio, too. Just everything about it can't be beat. Get you one, you're going to have to spend some moolah, get on eBay, but I'm going to tell you, this is an awesome radio. Do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, leave in the comments about what you think is the best radio of all time, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.